In the world of technology, serverless computing has emerged as a game changer. At the forefront of this revolution is AWS Lambda. This transformative force has reshaped the landscape of serverless computing, freeing developers from the constraints of traditional server management. With AWS Lambda, the focus shifts from monotonous server maintenance to the heart of innovation, coding. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about server uptime or scaling issues. That's the world AWS Lambda helps create. It's like having a dedicated team at your disposal, working tirelessly behind the scenes, managing your servers while you get on with what you do best, creating fantastic applications. But AWS Lambda isn't just about simplifying server management, it's about enabling developers to build more efficient, scalable, and responsive applications. It's about crafting solutions that respond in real time to user interactions, process files swiftly, and automate routine tasks without constant server monitoring. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover the top 5 use cases of AWS Lambda, demonstrating its versatility and efficiency. First on our list of AWS Lambda use cases is its seamless integration with API Gateway. This integration plays a pivotal role in creating a robust serverless environment by facilitating secure and scalable interactions. It's like a dynamic duo that works together to ensure smooth communication between different services and applications. When AWS Lambda teams up with API Gateway, it forms a powerful shield that not only secures your APIs, but also ensures they can handle a high volume of requests. This is particularly useful for applications that need to process thousands, if not millions, of requests in a short time. But the magic doesn't stop there. This integration also simplifies server management, allowing developers to focus on what they do best, code. No more worrying about server uptime or dealing with complex infrastructure setups. Simply write your code and let AWS Lambda and API Gateway handle the rest. This seamless integration is transforming the way we approach serverless computing, making it more accessible, scalable, and secure. With the power of AWS Lambda and API Gateway combined, serverless interactions have never been more secure and scalable. Next, we delve into the realm of automation with serverless cron jobs. This fascinating feature of AWS Lambda truly exemplifies its transformative power in serverless computing. With serverless cron jobs, routine tasks are automated, eliminating the need for constant server monitoring. Imagine the convenience of having your tasks managed for you while you focus on coding and other significant aspects of your project. Think of it as having a reliable assistant who never sleeps, tirelessly ticking off tasks from your list around the clock. This is not just about saving time, it's a whole new level of efficiency. The incredible thing is that these jobs are not just automated, but they are also serverless. That means you don't have to worry about server management at all. In essence, AWS Lambda takes the mundane out of your day-to-day tasks, enabling you to concentrate on what truly matters. Thus, AWS Lambda elevates the art of automation, making routine tasks a breeze. Now let's explore how AWS Lambda plays a pivotal role in crafting reactive systems. Event-driven architecture is a powerful paradigm where the flow of the program is determined by events such as user actions, sensor outputs, or messages from other programs. AWS Lambda beautifully integrates with Simple Notification Service, or SNS, and Simple Queue Service, or SQS, to enable this architecture. SNS allows applications to send time-critical messages to multiple subscribers through a push mechanism, eliminating the need to periodically check or poll for updates. On the other hand, SQS is a pull-based system that handles message queuing, providing a reliable and scalable means of communication between components. The beauty of this architecture lies in its flexibility. It allows components to operate independently, reacting to changes as they occur. This means your system can quickly adapt to new information, making it highly responsive and dynamic. By facilitating event-driven architecture, AWS Lambda empowers developers to craft dynamic, reactive systems. Moving on, we look at how AWS Lambda and Amazon S3 come together to streamline file processing tasks. AWS Lambda, a transformative force in serverless computing, and Amazon S3, a scalable storage service, unite to create a powerful partnership. This collaboration simplifies the intricate process of file handling, enabling developers to focus on coding rather than server management. Imagine a scenario where you have to process thousands of files. Instead of manually handling each file, AWS Lambda can be triggered by an event, such as adding a new file to Amazon S3. Once activated, it can automatically process the file, saving precious time and resources. This integration also eliminates the need for constant server monitoring, allowing for a more efficient workflow. It's like having an automatic, self-sufficient system that takes care of your file processing needs without any hassle. Together, AWS Lambda and Amazon S3 form a dynamic duo that revolutionizes file processing. Finally, we turn our attention to the choreography of workflow precision with step functions and glue logic. This is the fifth and final use case for AWS Lambda we're discussing today. In the realm of serverless computing, managing complex workflows can be a daunting task. This is where AWS Lambda, in combination with step functions and glue logic, comes into play. Step functions enable you to coordinate multiple AWS services into serverless workflows so you can build and update applications quickly. They make it easy to sequence AWS Lambda functions and multiple AWS services, automate error handling and read trees, and get a visual workflow of your application. Glue logic, on the other hand, is the custom code that connects and coordinates these services, acting as the glue that holds the workflow together. It ensures data consistency, handles exceptions, and provides a layer of abstraction that simplifies the interaction with underlying services. The amalgamation of AWS Lambda, step functions, and glue logic brings precision and efficiency to workflow management. You can design, run, and monitor workflows that stitch together services like AWS Lambda and Amazon S3, among others, to create complex applications. Through step functions and glue logic, AWS Lambda orchestrates workflow precision, rounding up its impressive array of use cases. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.